Hey guys, today let's learn how to clear our YouTube search history easily. So this is going to be pretty easy, guys. I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to do this step by step. So in order for us to accomplish this, what we need to go ahead and do is to tap on our YouTube applications. And once we're already here, basically you're going to see and tap on your search buttons. And if you have some recent searches, of course, you are going to see all of it right here. If you want to go ahead and reset or remove that, all we need to do is to tap on our U tabs, tap on our Google account, and tap on our data and privacy. Now you should see this option to basically reset your YouTube history. So go ahead and just tap on your YouTube history right here. And then you could go ahead and now over here, we could tap on manage history. And let's go ahead and tap on our history. And then let's tap on delete. Let's go ahead and tap on delete all time. And basically it is going to go ahead and delete all of your search history, including your watch history as well. And it's that easy, guys, to delete your search and watch history. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.